my dear viewers. On behalf of our channel Soulcraft, again I would like to invite you all to this interesting yet informative video. If you have not subscribed our channel, this is the right time to do so. And if you like the information given here in this video, please hit the like button and let us know about it. Well, you might have heard of angels at some point in time, or maybe numerous times. All major religions have described angels. Some of them call them Farishta. In India, we know them by name of Devdoot, and the most common name is angels. Well, have you ever wondered, can you connect to them? If you can be communicative with them, if you can relate to them and actually make friends with them? Yes, this is our topic for the day. Angels and angel therapy. So we are going to discuss about angels and what are the benefits of connecting with angels, how can we connect to angels, and other aspects as well. My dear friends, angels are spiritual beings who serve as messenger of God. Angels are very powerful. We do not know for sure how they look like, but some old scriptures say they have beautiful wings. They look extraordinarily beautiful. They are pure and divine. They are soft-hearted, helpful, and they cannot sin. They are messengers of divinity. They are there to help us, and they are more than happy to help us in various situations. You can consider them as divine messengers sent by God to be with you, to protect you, to heal you, to love you, to save you from problems, to be your guardian spirit. Isn't it incredible? We have guardian angels with us, you might have heard about it, who are always with us right from the time of birth till we survive. They save us, they keep us protected, they are our best friends. Angels are able to heal anything and everything. May it be a life-threatening situation, may it be a painful injury, a situation which seems to be very difficult or unsolvable problem. Yes, angels are able to deal with them in a miraculous way, in a divine way. Angels can take human form as well. We exactly don't know how and when they work. We don't know how they help us. We don't know their way of working, the mechanism of angel therapy. But we are sure that they do exist, they help us, they are always close to us. This is different thing that we cannot see them because they are in a different dimension, and we cannot see them with naked eyes because we are not vibrating at that high frequency. If there is a chance that we vibrate at same high frequency as angels are, yes, for sure we will be able to see them. But in a general context, they can be felt. They can make us feel that they are here. We can feel their presence, maybe in the form of fragrance or some other sensations. However, seeing them is not that much possible for normal people. Healing miracles of angel therapy is powerful, incredible, meaningful, and full of love. As we have discussed in our previous videos that we are energy, surrounded by a system of energy as well. which keeps blocking in our daily life and creates blocks in the flow of energy in our overall energy system. So, if you consider these blocks as boulders in the river, which obstruct the flow of energy through us, around us, and causes various kinds of problems in our lives. How these blocks are formed? Well, these blocks are formed by all these things which are not our true nature, which is not in the true alignment of our human nature. For example, anger, fear, resentment, jealousy, insecurity, name it, all these negative thoughts, emotions, feelings are building up to become boulders in that river. So, how can they be removed? They can be removed by loving, healing, angelic therapy. Angels are removing them with their own miraculous way, which is full of love. And once these boulders, these blocks are removed, we are back to our natural, true alignment of life. And then energy starts flowing again in the natural form through us. Isn't it exciting and easy to do? Result of angel therapy is we feel more energetic, more alive, more aligned to our higher self, and in balance. We are back to our natural form, the way we were made, energetic, happy, and content. While angel therapists are working with their clients, they have full faith on angels, and they know that whatever is appropriate, whatever is right for that particular client, it will take place in a graceful way. So we are not guiding the angels to tell them, oh, I want this, I'll do this for me, do that for me. No, we just mention the problem and problem is solved in their own angelic way. So my dear friends, I have full faith on universe, on the creator and angels. They know us, they love us, and whatever they do for us is the best thing which should be done. So now we know that angels are healers. Now we know that angels love us, they care for us, they are there to protect us, guard us, heal us, and they guard us through our entire life. There are different kinds of angels which are specific for a particular purpose. For example, if you need physical healing, if you are not keeping well, if you are looking for a better health, good health, you call for Angel Raphael. He is the healer of healers. Now we know enough about angels, right? So let's talk about angel therapy and its details. Angel therapy involves communication with the angels. They keep coming in and going out of our lives, but we are unaware of this process. We are always surrounded by angels as they are our close friends. It's very easy to connect with them because we don't have to go anywhere. They are already here, right beside us, right around us. My dear friends, to work with angels, we need to have a strong faith, strong belief. Believing means to give energy to your thought, and energy heals as well. The angels heal on this vibrational energy. Then without doubt your power of belief will help you when you are tuning in We all have our own angel, as I mentioned earlier. We know them as guardian angels. They are with us all the time and watching us over from our birth. Often angels appear either as unobserved or observed in the times of great crisis. Angels embody some of the greatest qualities like love, kindness, compassion, purity, and healing. They bring all these special things, all these divine things to the earth. We can connect to them anytime, anywhere, because they are ready to help us. They are here to help us. Angel therapy is a call for help beyond the RAM. That RAM which is omnipresent. Angels are our personal friends. They are here to help us. Connecting to angels feel like meeting family or reuniting with your best friends, as they are so non-judgmental. They are peaceful, they are beautiful, and they are understanding. Well, my dear friends, a particularly attuned person can connect with angels through their own work. Others need a practitioner who will use an angel card deck to give readings and who can channel your angels and past loved ones. Believe that angels can give you clear guidance in many areas like finances, relationships, health, and tapping into your life's purpose. They are your practical helpers who intervene in your everyday lives. But you gotta ask for the help, because angels don't and won't impose on anyone's free will. And that's polite. Angel therapy was created by superstar spiritual teacher Doreen Virtue, the Angel Guru. One thing I would like to highlight here. It is the RAM, I'm talking about the angelic RAM, is only for those people who are already on the spiritual path and they want to go deeper. See, work of angels can be difficult for us to understand as they help in ways that we are not aware of. Working with angels doesn't just help you with the day-to-day life events, but helps with continuing your own spiritual growth. Now, quickly and briefly, I would like to discuss some benefits of angel therapy and connecting with angels. Angelic healing therapy will make you feel and get healthier. It will magnetize abundance. It is good for your business growth. It will get you rid of karmic debts. It will make you feel empowered. What else angels do for us? Angel healing helps you get in touch with your own spiritual side. It will help you to release stress. Angel therapy will make your life focused. You will regain that focus in life. It will make your life full of happiness, full of blessings, healings, and you will feel protected, safe with angels. Safe not only in physical terms, but mental, spiritual, psychological terms of existence as well. Angel therapy also helps you with your creativity. So you see, my dear viewers, angel therapy is good to learn for those people who are. The angel healing therapy is benefiting to all those people who are willing to learn about angels, who are willing to connect to them, and they want to learn more about these fascinating subjects, and they want to practice angel healing in their daily lives. You need to only ask and they will guide you through everyday events with as much importance as life-changing moments. I hope I was able to give you some information about these angels. If you like the video, please let me know. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section, or you can send me email, which is mentioned in the description box. Feel free to share the video as much as possible with your family and friends. You never know who needs it. Stay tuned with more educational, informative and fascinating videos which will be coming very soon. Till then, I would like you to be happy, to be peaceful, to be angelic and just be. Bye-bye for now.